Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can fill a hole in Bambu Studio. Now I have a simple cube shape right here with a hole in the middle of it. To apply or fill the hole, you want to click on your model, right click on it, and then click add part. From here you want to add something like a cylinder, and then you can just align your cylinder according to how you want your hole to be filled. And basically from here, you then want to use tools like the scale option and also the move function. You also want to make sure that it is not extruding on the bottom of your model. So if this happens to you, you can just use the move option and then you can adjust this accordingly until you remove that part or the extruding part. Now, after adjusting on how you want your hole to be filled, you can then go ahead and apply the changes by slicing your plate, and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.